Hello everyone! Today we will learn 25 shapes name. So let's begin. Circle, circle. For example, football. Next, semicircle, semicircle. For example, watermelon slice. Next, oval, oval. For example, egg. Next, square, square. For example, chessboard. Next, diamond, diamond. For example, kite. Next, rectangle, rectangle. For example, flag. Next, right triangle, right triangle. For example, sandwich. Next, isosceles triangle, isosceles triangle. For example, hanger. Next, rhombus, rhombus. For example, signboard. Next, cross, cross. For example, Christian cross. Next, pentagon, pentagon. For example, open envelope. Next, hexagon, hexagon. For example, nut. Next, heptagon, heptagon. For example, 50 pence. Next, octagon, octagon. For example, clock. Next, star, star. For example, starfish. Next, decagon, decagon. For example, plate. Next, dodecagon, dodecagon. For example, drum. Next, parallelogram, parallelogram. For example, clutch. Next, trapezoid, trapezoid. For example, lock. Next, heart, heart. For example, leaf. Next, cylinder, cylinder. For example, can. Next, cube, cube. For example, dice. Next, cuboid, cuboid. For example, brick. Next, triangle, triangle. For example, pizza slice. Next, crescent, crescent. For example, banana.
Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel General Knowledge Laboratory and press the bell icon to never miss new video updates. Take care.